Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
Let's run it back. Me nah laugh. And if you laugh, you're not a nice person.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
I swear to you, I did not laugh. I was not laughing. Anyways, it's the next comment section video. Where can I say? It seems like I don't like comment section videos. I lowest view videos I have on the channel are probably at the thumbnail. YouTube not like, so they not promote. Matter of fact, YouTube not promote the video. So like the video for me anyways. Share it and let's get into the comment. So how the cameraman no move, and the person who posted this say cameraman never dies. And that's true, you know. Cameraman, they never get hurt, never dead yet. This is how Jamaica produce track stars. Yo, oh my gosh, man, I move like place dry, and the place wet, you know, can't waste. And the person who post reply and say can't waste no time. Now see the army back at me. It look like I'm in a video too, you know, the boss post it. Them a video me like see, a true man, they make you laugh. No one was harmed in this video, not even the mongrels them. All him want disappear from this, so now you know, a true man. Hey, heart a beat out of interest, you know. Me not fi ask Christ. Cameraman get a head start and never take it. We appreciate you still, a true man. The cameraman brave for our entertainment. You want $1? Give me a $5. See the cameraman, me a $5 today. Hey. All the dollars them gone. The person reply and say, him just did one get a bite, but me cut left him. Us Jamaicans are something else now. Hey, me a wait for the drop your F. Yeah, pray upon the man downfall. That's not nice. If me did drop me dead, that's what the person who uploaded say. Last comment. Somebody like me would have drop and tumble down the hill. Alright, slim, whatever you want name. I guess you're fat. Them would have fooled me up a bite if me did job. That's what the uploader said in response to that. Alright, we're jumping on our next one. Alright, me have a peanut dread video. My favorite peanut dread video, you know, but we just gonna drop it as it is and go in the comment section.
My last generation, me not never afraid of woman. God bid me. Me say when me go dance, I begs. I last part of music, I sweetest part, right? As the man put on the music and he half and take it off. Pure nice. Woman over there, so man over here, so like them agreements with one another. I don't understand, right? The woman him over there plan how him a go near me mouth. This man plan over here how him a go use stone and boom and sit now bad. So like agreements in my days, they sending the woman them free because anywhere who will come from through the dance, them a try peep through, and if they not see woman in the dance, they not going there now. And no one woman can stand up in there because when you look and see every man like he get shame him off the dance too, right? And you think a little man find a wife for dance and little woman find a husband a dance now my time. No. The woman them a impress the man them by wearing big panty pan road.
Peanut dread, listen to me now. Leave the woman them in them panty. Me like to see them. Even though I would never ever wife up a woman who wear basically jaws a road. No man, cover up yourself, man. Be modest. Wear your jaws in your yard when you're in a bed with your husband, man, and put on a nice little lingerie. A lingerie, you know, walk up and down, you know. On the road, you know. But as I say, I love to see it, but I never. The man never sex on it, you know. But really and truly, the real man, they not wife up. Then we give them them things too, but they not really wife up. But we not care still. Most of them not care. Anyways, you can't go a dance now, party, and say I go look wife. Them the days they done peanut dread. Them the days they done from 2005. My girl don't want no wife up right now. They just want money. Anyways, we're jumping in the comment section. We're jumping in the comment section for a minute. Facts for the peanut dread. A be a competition. A true man. Man over this so, woman over here so. Woman a wind up and a dance and the man them a jiggy yaga. Dance with the woman them, brother. Facts peanut dread. Forms of segregation. Keep a dance in the days was a big part of our culture. True. Everybody a party keep now. Nobody not really keep dance. And then when I keep dance, be a war broke, brother. And I carry grievance. On God, I'm ghosted. Okay. Never tell a lie, me boss. A true man. Hi. Somebody say hi. I want to go viral. So post a video, natties, and natty too, you know. Peanut Jet always make me laugh. But I must say he's good and chat it as it is. For real in a real life. A true man. Peanut Jet always tell it as it is, man. Them a last generation mad and them pants foot tight. And then calling each other dog. The government for do what? Poison them. Yep. The good old days are gone. I accept that fact and reality. Real talk, fam. Alright, let me see. Let me do 2 more or a few more. And I like Peanut Dread, but dance hall mash up, brother. And I like time gone. Hey, that's true. Don't take this for a joke. Powerful message here as I talk about. If you know, you know. A true man. Back in our days, place used to nice. Man, as Peanut Dread said, man used to go there and find a wife. Nowadays, you find a one night stand. Or you find a girl where you want to name you out. A real talk, man. I read mess, man. You can't even go to church and find a wife anymore. Anyways, like the video, share the video, subscribe, click the notification bell. Stay safe. God bless.